In this video, we're gonna take a look at TAPTAP Send and SENDWAVE to see which one is better. So as you can see, we have TAPTAP Send here, and this app is available in these countries right here. So most of them are African countries. You even have India, Pakistan, and as you can see here we have the full list, and you can send money from the United States and these countries here, so it's not available in all countries. Now then we have SendWave, where you can basically send money. Again, we have the same list, and here we have the country. So basically it's similar, but it's more used SendWave, and the fees are way lower. And as you can see, you can send the money into their Gcash account, bank account, and they can cash pick up. So if I have to choose between these two, I'll go with SendWave. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.